How to use a song kit. You can first find relevant song kits by age or by theme. Another option is you can scroll down the page and you can find your ages and your themes. There are multiple features for each song kit, and you can play the videos.
Waddle, waddle, waddle like a duck.
You can play the songs.
Waddle, waddle, waddle like a duck.
And you can sing along with the lyrics provided. And that'll be the first really easy way to use a song kit. We have many wonderful videos to play on all different themes for all different age groups. The second way that you can use the song kits is to try out the many activities that go with each one. So besides the videos, you can practice the dances. We have learning the dance videos, and we have dance notes for a lot of the song kits. And of course, you could make up your own dances. You can use the lyrics to integrate with your literacy practices. Each song kit is a curriculum in itself, and the song itself is the curriculum, but many come with workshops as well. So if you wanted to deepen in your curriculum tie-in, you would have these workshops to work with. The third way that you can use the song kits is by creating your own performances. You could choose a theme, or you could choose a variety of themes. In this case, the Human Body School, which is a really amazing performance piece, has a body opera with many different songs. This one is about the heart, circulatory system, and respiratory system. I'll just play a short bit. So this comes with, for example, the dance note shows you how to set up the stage with the air and the lungs and the blood, oxygenated and deoxygenated blood moving through the heart. And it gives you the notes on how to do that. You can listen to and download all the songs here.
Breathe in.
You can also get the lyrics and chords, and for your performance piece, you could have a live musician playing the music with the chords provided. You can also find Talking Hands, Talking Feet music on many digital platforms. For example, on Spotify, you can find Talking Hands, Talking Feet albums. And in Human Body School, for example, you can see there's so many songs in the Human Body School curriculum. Here's an example.
Your head and heart and hands and feet and soul are the best of friends you may ever know.
So you can make an impressive performance using the content provided or adapting it in any way you would like. The song kits contain all the content you will need. And in addition, we offer workshops of our methodology for your practical wisdom and inspiration. We hope you enjoy the song kits and hope to meet you sometime. Bye for now.